Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to save the workspace image and how to save the command history. Okay, let's suppose that we are at the end of a work session and let's say that we have a list of commands we have used in the R console. For example, okay. So now the aim is close the archive, and when we will open again the archive, we want to have all these variables, all these variables available, and all the list of commands available. First of all, let's save the command history, so the list of commands. So File, Save History, select a directory. I create a new folder. Select a name. Save. Now it's time to save the workspace image. So to save the variables and the content of the variables. So File, Save Workspace, select a directory and select a name. Put the attention about the extension of the file. As suggested here, the workspace image has .rdata extension. Save. Okay, now I close R. No, because we have already saved the workspace image. This is just a reminder. Okay, perfect. I just want to show you the content of the folder. So we have two files. We have the workspace image with the R icon and the command history. So now, to open the workspace we have saved and to have all the variables available, just double-click on this icon. I select my preferences about the archive. I grab the file. Okay, now if you type ls, you can see that you have all the variables you had in the previous workspace, and you can see that you have the content too. What about the list of commands? If you move among commands by using up arrow, you can see that the last command available is ls. That is the first command we have used in this new workspace. So At the moment, we don't have the list of commands we have used in the previous workspace. To have all the commands we have used in the previous workspace, we have to load the history we have saved. So File, Load History, No, then grab, I did a mistake. I should use the extension .r history. Sorry, so okay, now File, Load History. Oh no, there is still this window. I don't know why. Okay, I will try to fix it. Okay, grab the file. Okay, now use again the key up arrow, and as you can see, ls is not now the last command available. You have all the commands you have used in the previous workspace. But there is another way to save the list of commands. If you don't want to work with the history, you can have the list of commands saved by working with scripts. So File, New Script. The REditor window is a simple text editor where you can type your commands. For example, let's digit some new commands. As you can see in this REditor window, when you type enter, you cannot see the result of the variable. For example, here I digit x, then press enter, and I can see the content of x. But here, if I digit x and then press enter, I don't have the result because this is not the R console window. This is just a text editor, very simple text editor. Okay. I have already defined the variable z, so I changed the name of the variable. Okay, now the question is how to send all these commands to the R console. There are two ways. First of all, place the cursor in any position of the command line. As you can see here, we have a button in the menu bar. There is a suggestion, run line or selection. When the focus is in the R console, you don't have the button. You have this button only when the focus is on the R editor. So now, as I said you, place the cursor in any position of the command line, then press the button, and as you can see, you have sent this line command to the R console. Now, if you place the cursor here near the H and press again this button, you can see the content of the variable. The second way is to press on your keyboard the combination Ctrl R. So now place the cursor in any place of your command line, then Ctrl R. Okay, it works, and now again Ctrl R. Okay. If you have a lot of commands, it can be very difficult to repeat Ctrl R several times. So if you have a lot of commands and you want to run all these commands together, just select all the commands and then press Ctrl R. Okay. As you can see, here we have all the commands we have selected. The script can be saved. So File, Save As, select a name, attention to the extension. In this case, the extension is simply .r. Save. Okay. Now, close the script, save the workspace image. You can use also this button to save the workspace if you don't want to do this operation. So select the file to overwrite it. Save. Yes, we want to overwrite it. Okay, now close. No. Okay, now we have also the script file with .r extension. Now double click on the R icon that represents the workspace image file. Now, if you digit ls, ls, you have all the variables in your workspace, but if you open now your script, you have also the list of commands available. So that's all, and see you in the next video tutorial.